Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you website that pay me instantly withdrawal. Okay, this is for withdrawal. I shared with this website very long time ago. Right now I want to share with you the withdrawal proof. I make much more withdrawal from this website, but I want to share with you right now. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. And this website is 100% paying you a free withdrawal. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website link available in description. This much registration user, this much faucet claim, this much short links, and this much you withdraw this website pay. Okay, I share with you the withdrawal. Okay, first go to new account. You can create your free account in here. Put your username, email, password, confirm password, and solve the captcha. You can easily make an account. Okay, I have already account. I go to log in my account right now. So I click I'm not a robot. I solve a capture, just traffic light. Okay, just click verify and just click login. Okay, this is my account. I have this much coin. This website pay you coin. First I share with you how you can earn coin. The first one is the faucet. You can claim your free faucet to make free coin. Okay, just click solve this capture. Just this one is a car, and just solving. Okay, just click verify and get your reward. Okay, I want to 5 coin every 10 minutes. I come back and just get faucet, and you can see you have 5 coin, and after 10 minutes you come back and claim your 5 coin. The next one is a lottery ticket. You can buy a lottery ticket and you can participate the lottery ticket. This is February round, this much. This is all lottery ticket. You can buy, and the price is this much, and your ticket is 1. User joined this much. Okay, if you win first step, you win this much lottery ticket, this much, and this much. Okay, the price is 1 ticket, 2 ticket. I want to buy 3 ticket. Just click buy, and so you can see I buy a 3 ticket. Right now I have a 4 ticket because 1 ticket it's pay me with the faucet. Okay, just I want to buy 6 ticket again. Every ticket is 2 coin. Okay, every ticket is 2 coin, and I buy 10 ticket, and after 90 hours I will be maybe one of the winners. Okay, and this is the people of the winner from this website. Okay, this is one of the best. The next one is Auto Faucet. Auto Faucet pay you automatically to your faucet pay without any doing thing. Go to setting first, run the Litecoin automatically. Just you can run it. 1 coin is 50 satoshi. Okay, this one pay you much more if you use this one. Okay, just I click one of these. Okay, one of 5 half minutes pay me 50 satoshi to this wallet address. Okay, if you have your faucet pay wallet address in here, this will be pay you in this wallet address. Okay, sorry, you can see that this is my wallet address. Every coin is 50 satoshi, and if you wait like this will be pay you much more. And just I calculate the Litecoin price, how much I earn from just waiting like this. Okay. Okay, 50 cent every coin. I have 774. Okay, this much Litecoin pay me. Okay, this is very high. If I want to withdraw instantly without any seconds, just I go to withdraw. Okay, just I go to withdraw, and I go to withdraw in faucet pay. Just click withdraw to faucet pay, and I put my amount. Okay, put my amount, and just I click request, I wait few seconds and request send it, and this website pay me instantly in my Faucet Pay. This is one of the best website, pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay. And you can see this is the second of the first one I making with the seconds, and this is the next one. Okay, and this is 4,000 Satoshi. If you work with this one, 4,000 Satoshi more than the manual Faucet. Okay, this website pay you instantly and without any seconds. You can see this is all my payment I received from this website. And right now I share with you the next way, the short links. You can visit the short links and you earn the coin, and this is available coin in here. This is all available coin. You can just click it, visit the short links, and you can earn your coin. The next one is the game. You can play the game and the Faucet. Okay, recommended Faucet. This will be, I have a Faucet website for these, and this is all Faucet website. This will be recommended, and you can play game and you can earn much more crypto coin from here. Thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. This website pay you 100%, and I share with you the withdrawal proof, and this is the 100% safe website. This website pay you without any seconds, without any timer. Just you click withdraw. This website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning website. Just I share some website fake because I didn't know that website is fake. After a few days, maybe that website make a scam. Okay, that time I alert about that website. This website is right now a scam website. It didn't work in this website. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye for now.